Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want you to show a problem, a beautiful one, an integral problem from IMC 2010. So what problem says? So we have, let's consider it, two real positive numbers, a and b. What we want to show is that integral from a to b from the function x squared plus 1 times e power minus x squared dx is bigger than a minus a squared minus a minus b squared. So the first problem, IMC 2010. So if you want to look for problem from this competition, you know that is a very beautiful one and these very tough problems, and I think that it's very constructive to try these problems. So here is integral problems. First of all, it's an inequality, and what we want to show is that this integral from a to b from this function is bigger than e at power minus a squared minus e at power minus b squared. What I want you to see first is that the difference is like this a is less than b. So it's not the normal way, because when we have a antiderivative, we try to do like the difference between the bigger minus the least. So these things should we make us concerning about what type of function should we consider it. Should we try to calculate the antiderivative of this function, or maybe we can try to, well, find a suitable inequality. So let's try something very interesting. So I think that many of us knows this inequality. This is the very basic inequality, and I want to show you something very beautiful. So we have something like this. Yeah? So let's look at this part of the function and let's try to find an antiderivative of this type of function. Well, it's not so complicated, because look, when we try to do a minus x squared is like minus x squared derivative times a at power minus x squared, which is minus 2x times e minus x squared. So right now we have a good moment, a happy moment, because as we see, we achieve our function. Well, with this minus sign, but it's not a very big problem. So let's try to see what's next. So our inequality looks like this. So we have e from a to b, x squared plus 1 times e minus x squared dx bigger than integral from a to b, and I will put a minus here, and I will put here minus 2x times e minus x squared dx, which is instead e minus x squared from a to b, which, when we do the difference and when we do the arithmetic, like Bill Clinton said, we have e minus a squared minus e times e at power minus b squared. So look, a very complicated integral with a suitable inequality and a good way of thinking. Should we try to do this stuff, and at the end we achieve our goal in a very beautiful manner, because look, it's very simple and very clear what we did here. It's nothing complicated, it's very beautiful. So my final thought for you: try always to look to the easiest path, to the simplified path, because in mathematics a lot of difficult problems at the beginning actually tends to become much simpler and elegant when we find a suitable way to attack it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.